Students, this is our last 7th part of the chapter recent development in Indian politics. हमने इस चैप्टर को समझा और उसके बाद में हमने कुछ फैक्ट्स थे जिसको हमने रीड करा, तो हमने हमारा एक लास्ट फैक्ट बच गया था 11th वन. In coalition government, several political parties cooperated, reducing the dominance of any one party within that coalition. In it, government is formed on the basis of common minimum program. The main reason behind this arrangement is that no party gets majority on its own in the parliament. Coalition government is also created in the time of national crisis such as wartime or economic crisis. If a coalition collapses, confidence vote is held or a motion of no confidence is taken. अब हम देखेंगे coalition government in context of India from 2004 to 2009 and 2009 to 2014 respectively. After the parliamentary election in May 2014, National Democratic Alliance came into power with Mr. Narendra Modi as the Prime Minister. Although the BJP had got full majority on its own, at the national level, the first coalition government of India was formed under the Prime Minister of Morarji Desai that existed from 24 March 1977 to 15 July 1979, headed by the Janata Party. This government could not complete its tenure. The first coalition government in India which successfully completed its 5-year terms was the Bharatiya Janata Party, lead National Democratic Alliance with Mr. Atal Bihari Vajpayee as Prime Minister from 1999 to 2004. The other coalition, the United Progressive Alliance (UPA), consisted of 13 separate parties from all over the country, ruled for 2 terms successfully. अब हम इस चैप्टर में कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट वर्ड्स हमें जो मिले हैं उन वर्ड्स का हम अच्छे से मीनिंग समझने की कोशिश करेंगे. ओबीसी, इट सिग्निफाइज अदर बैकवर्ड क्लासेस other than SC, ST to be suffered from educational, social and economic backwardness. BAMCEF, it refers to backward and minority classes employees federation to be formed in 1978 to mark the rise of political organization of Dalits. कार सेवा, voluntary service by devotees for building Ram temple in Ayodhya. Mandal Commission, it was set up in 1978 to investigate the extent of educational and social backwardness among various sections of society and recommended various ways to identify these backward classes. So this was all about for today's lecture. Thank you, children.